here we can see there are a lot of components that need to be removed during the conversion. First, you can see we need to remove the internal combustion engine. This core fossil fuel burning power source replaced entirely by the electric propulsion. Second is the liquid fuel tank and exhaust system. The gasoline storage and complex emission control hardware will be eliminated. And mechanical auxiliary components, as I told you, this includes the alternator, stator motor, and air conditioning compressor will be removed because they are connected directly with the original fuel combustion engine. As the electric platform provides more efficient and cleaner electric alternatives. So we will add traction motor, battery pack. So this high efficiency electric motor paired with a dense, high voltage battery as the new energy core. Power management and zero tailpipe emissions. We will integrate the DC-DC converter to optimize the power flow, achieving complete eliminations of exhaust emissions. We will optimize the electric auxiliary systems. So electrically driven high voltage AC compressor for independent climate control. This is to improve the efficiency by decoupling from engine load and enabling precise energy management. So these are the main removal parts and list. If you have the existing vehicles to be converted, you can take away these parts as a reference. So here you see, in our workshop, we have many different conversion parts. We call turnkey solution for customers. Here you will see it's kind of Volkswagen Beetle conversion. So this is a typical classic model. A lot of customers like this model. So we just keep the original transmission and we customize the coupler and the shaft spline to connect with the original transmission. So this is the main part for transmission in our workshop. We can plug and play for customers. This one you will see, this is turnkey solution for Fiat 500 EV conversions. So we did a lot of this kind of conversion for customers in Europe, such as in Germany, Italy, and France, and North Europe as well. So you will see, we remove the original transmission and we design and make joints to match the original transmission. This is the Volkswagen Golf MK4. You will see we use the 32 kilowatt motor and the controller kits. We customize this spline shaft and also the coupler to connect with the other side of the transmission. So it works very well. Here you will see the Sprinter EV conversion parts. So we have a lot of this solution available in our workshop that provides the plug and play solution for customers. So Toyota, we are working on the Toyota Hilux. We can see the original fuel performance of the Toyota. So the maximum power is about 130 kilowatt or horsepower equivalent. So the peak torque will be about 450 Newton meter. The fuel consumption is about 10 liter per 100 kilometer. The max range for the original fuel Toyota Hilux is about 400 kilometers. So we want to develop this conversion in terms of the trade-off, for example, the payload capacity, to maintain the robust load-bearing capability essential for commercial and industrial material transportation. We will ensure no compromise on work efficiency. This is the purpose one. Purpose 2 is for the climbing ability. We preserve the no-end torque delivery to ensure the reliable traction and superior performance on steep or uneven roads or rugged work sites. You will see a lot of analysis and experimental database from the motor in the previous slides, because we have to analyze the no-end torque delivery for climbing purpose, which requires big torque, no speed, the worksite durability. We need to ensure the converted vehicle use reinforced components and heavy-duty axles to handle the harsh operation environments with utmost robustness. So this is the main purpose for conversion. Let's say, again, in the middle of the picture, you will see the Hilux models. So it is under conversion. So this is, we already removed all the unnecessary fuel-related combustion engines and the emission pipes. So you will see now what we are going to install. We are going to install the brand new motor controller, the chargers, the battery packs, DC-DC converter, the vacuum brakes, the liquid cooling system for the air conditioning, and the VCU we call the vehicle control kit to balance the operation of the whole system. And of course the EHPS system to ensure the smooth steering while driving. So this is the main chart. Convert your pickup to electric now. So this is our slogan. Convert my vehicle to electric. So here you see the conversion comparison before and after that. After that you will see performance comparison after conversion. We also use the max 120 kilowatt motor to replace, and the peak torque would be even higher, for 500 to 600 Newton meter. The acceleration speed can be 6 kilometers per hour within 6 seconds, within 5 to 6 seconds. And based on the space limitation for battery, the range is about 100 kilometers. I don't think the original diesel range for Hilux is 700. So it's around 500. So here is a mistake. So we will see the key insight. While the electrical range is reduced compared to diesel, it is fully sufficient for typical daily urban or worksite duties. The electric powertrain delivers instant torque for a noticeable, smoother, more responsive driving experience. It is ideal for frequent stop-and-go environment like construction zones or city logistic routes. So that's the reason why more and more customers are interested in for this conversion, because they are good for this kind of environmental application. So we have a lot of converted models in our company. We have small sedans. We have examples of Volkswagen MK4. We have pickups such as Toyota Hilux. We have a lot of classic cars such as Volkswagen Beetle. The Volkswagen Beetle is kind of iconic models. Volkswagen Beetle and also Fiat 500, they generate a new needs on life. The conversion preserves its classic appearance, while upgrading is with modern, eco-friendly and powertrain technology. So today's focus, by seeing the Toyota Hilux is it is actually a globally popular and extremely robust utility vehicle, showcase how our conversion process maintains its legendary durability and payload capabilities while transitioning to efficient, sustainable power. I think this is the value as a general. So here you see the conversion kits for classic cars. So this is mostly for Volkswagen Beetle and Fiat 500. We have customers who use 7.5 kilowatt rated motor and 10 rated kilowatt motor to convert the Volkswagen and the Fiat. You will see all these are necessary electric components that should be installed simultaneously for the vehicle. EPS, dashboard, controller, Viking brake, DC-DC converter, liquid cooling, charger, Nissan battery. These are all the necessary parts that are needed. So, besides the Volkswagen models, besides the Fiat, there are a lot of timeless beauty of classic models.